Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new cases. Okay, this is going to be a red meat case. Brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is going to be an all stainless steel unit, has that glass in the front. Now before you get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you so you have an idea what it measures. Length, you're looking at 48 inches. For the depth, you're looking at a total of 33.5 inches. The overall height, we're going to give you the overall height from the very bottom of the wheel to the top. Okay, so the unit does have wheels, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the overall. You're looking at 55 inches. 55. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for this meat case. As we mentioned, the unit does have wheels already installed, so it makes it easier for you to use it if you need to move it around. Now, over on the back of this unit is where we can locate control for the unit as well as the power switch. Okay, so you can set your temperatures. Temperature will be on there as well. Now, on the bottom, there's going to be a little storage space here that is refrigerated or that is cooled for this unit. Okay, now inside measurements, I want to go ahead and measure the inside for you. From the front to back, you're going to be looking at about 29.5 inches front to back. Okay, now for the shelves, measurements is 15 inches. Overall height, you're looking at 33 inches overall height. Also want to measure the top shelf, which will measure 12.5. Okay, so 15 inches, 12.5. Now, I want to go ahead and measure the length as well for this unit. Okay, so for the length, you're looking at 47 inches. Okay, so length, 47 inches. There also is a drain on the inside for this unit, okay, that will go out to the back over here. Also, we'll be provided with an instruction manual located on the inside already. So if you have any questions regarding the unit, all the information is on the instruction manual. Okay. Now, if you follow me over to the side, is where you can locate the sticker with all the specs regarding this meat case, as well as certification. This unit is certified by the health department, so you can locate all those specs and certification on that side sticker. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a 48-inch red meat case. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.